Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is persevere. It's pronounced per-se-veer, and it is spelt P-E-R-S-E-V-E-R-E. Think per and then severe. Persevere means to continue in a course of action even in the face of difficulty or with little or no prospect of success. For example, you could say, he persevered and finished the race, even though he came last. The word persevere comes from the Old French persévérer, meaning to continue or endure. Its meaning is the same today, but refers particularly to continuing when facing difficulty or failure. Can you think of any situation where you have had to persevere? How about when starting a new sport? For example, learning to swim, or, you probably remember this, riding a bike, or even roller skates takes perseverance. You can't do these things without practice, and maybe falling over a few times. And therefore you must persevere in the face of difficulty or even failure or pain, and then, after much perseverance, you can suddenly do it. Can you think of any other examples? Persevere is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, if you want to achieve your goals, you must persevere. Persevere is defined in the dictionary as to try to do or continue doing something in a determined way, despite having problems. Persevere's synonyms include persist, continue, carry on, endure, hold on, keep going, proceed, and pursue. Antonyms include stop, give up, and abandon. See if you can notice anyone persevering today. You could persevere at school when faced with a tricky question, or in a sports match if your team is losing. Either way, impress your friends and your family by using your new word, persevere. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back at the same time tomorrow for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.